Hi there, and welcome to the Sellery tutorial where you are going to learn how to use the receiving section to scan items and increase the size of your inventory. The receiving section is a great way of updating your inventory if you are a merchant fulfilled network seller. You can use a barcode scanner or manually input your product ID, and Sellery will help you update and keep track of your inventory. The format of a SKU may be edited from the Format panel next to the SKU input field. For more information on this, see the link at the bottom of the video or the description section below the video on YouTube. You also need to set the item's cost as well as additional optional properties for your new item, such as its quantity and even the item's warehouse and location or any custom notes you might have. Note that the receiving section is only available to MFN sellers. If your inventory is managed and fulfilled by Amazon, then you'll need to add your new items via Seller Central. Once you're done updating your FBA inventory, Sellery will retrieve the new information and price your items according to the pricing strategies that you've set up. Going back to MFN items, Sellery also provides many helpful properties that you can use to better organize your inventory, such as filters and sorters. Filters can be used to differentiate your items and are set up from Settings, Filters. The process of setting up a filter is very similar to setting up a smart list, so you should already be quite familiar with the process. Let's set up a filter that looks for popular items on Amazon. Click on New and name it Popular Items, then set the filter to accept items that have a sales rank on Amazon.com less than 10,000. If this item has a low sales rank, then we can say it's a popular item and it's likely to sell quickly. Our next step is to set up a sorter that uses the filter we just created. Head on over to Settings, Sorter, and click on New. Name your new sorter Popular, then click the plus sign to add a filter to it. Select the Popular Items filter, then configure the other fields. We'll want to add these popular items to our inventory, and we can even set a green color and sound effect that will be played as soon as you scan the item. This functionality is useful for quickly letting you know that the item you're adding to your inventory is popular, so you may take appropriate action, such as storing the item in an area of your warehouse that's better organized for high traffic. The order of the filters is very important. Just like when setting up your pricing strategies, Sellery will go through each filter in the list top to bottom, and stop when it finds the first filter that matches the item you're scanning. For example, if you were to have 5 filters in this list and multiple filters matched your item, Sellery would only use the first filter in the list that matches. Once the sorter has been applied, you can see the sorter's result message both in the bottom slide panel of scanned items and the right section of the Scan Result tab. You can also set up frequently used notes from Settings, Condition Notes. Depending on the item's condition, you can create a list of frequently used notes by writing them one by one in the right panel. You can even leave an empty row, and that will show up as a separation line in the drop-down when adding an item in the receiving section. Finally, you can set up warehouses from Settings, Warehouses. Just click on New, input the name of the warehouse, and save it. Similarly, you can also manage your suppliers from Settings, Suppliers. The process of managing your suppliers is essentially the same as managing your warehouses. Once you're done scanning items, remember to click on the Add Items to Inventory button in order to save your inventory changes in Sellery. You should take the time to review your changes before submitting, as this is the best opportunity to correct any mistakes. You can even use the Clear All button to remove all of your newly scanned entries if you want to start over. We hope this quick look at the receiving section has been helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us at Sellery@SellerEngine.com. Thank you for watching.